Welcome to Stoic Origin. Most men have no clue how close they are to being the guy she can't stop thinking about, and yet completely invisible at the same time. Not because they're not enough, but because they don't understand how emotional addiction actually works in a woman's mind. This isn't about tricks, pick-up lines, or pretending to be someone you're not. It's about understanding female psychology so deeply that your energy becomes magnetic. The kind of pull she feels even when you're not around, that quiet confidence that makes her crave your attention, your voice, your presence, even in silence. And if you've ever felt like you do everything right, being respectful, kind, always available, but still end up overlooked, it's not because you're missing something. It's because no one ever taught you what actually creates emotional addiction in a woman's mind. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make her emotionally hooked, how to become the kind of man she can't shake off, even when she tries. But first, you need to understand the silent habits that are killing your attraction before it even starts. Let's dive in. Why chasing weakens? Attraction, you think being available makes her like you more, huh? Not even close. What it really does is make you predictable. And predictable energy kills curiosity. Curiosity is what fuels attraction. See, women don't obsess over comfort, they obsess over emotion. Most guys are out here trying to prove they're safe, nice, reliable. But here's the thing, women don't become addicted to safe. They become addicted to feeling something real. If every time she texts you reply in 5 seconds flat, if you're always down to hang out, she'll stop feeling that spark. She needs to earn your attention, not feel like she owns it. That emotional high, that tension, that unknown, that's what gets her hooked. You ever wonder why she still chases that one dude who barely gives her time of day? It's not because she likes pain. It's because he makes her feel emotions she can't control. Excitement, frustration, confusion. That cocktail, it's addicting. If you don't know how to create that without being toxic, you'll keep losing to guys who do. Even subtle things matter. How you look at her. How you pause before answering. How calm you are when she's testing you. When you look at her like a man who knows what he wants, not begging, not apologizing. She feels that. Desire isn't built from what you say. It's built from what your energy communicates. And when your words carry that calm power, she'll start thinking about you even when you're not around. Before we go deeper, if this is already hitting home, take a second and hit that like button, my guy. What's coming next? It's going to hit even harder. Let's keep going. The power of emotional control, emotional addiction doesn't start with looks or money. It starts with how you make her feel. That dangerous mix of mystery and safety. That tension that keeps her up at night wondering about you. Your voice alone can unlock something in her. Slow it down. Drop your tone just a bit. Speak from your chest, not your throat. Don't rush your words. Let them linger. Let her feel the calm in your delivery. Women are emotional sensors. They pick up energy way before words. If your vibe says, I'm grounded, I know who I am, I'm not chasing, she'll notice that before she even notices your face. Now let's talk about eye contact. Not that awkward stare down, but that held gaze that makes her heart skip for half a second. Then look away, with that half smile like you know something she doesn't. That's how you plant thoughts in her head she can't shake. And here's something most men miss. You don't have to touch her to turn her on. You have to make her want to be touched. Say something that could mean two things. Innocent on the surface, but deeper if she's thinking about you. That's when her imagination starts doing the work for you. But remember, never be too available. If she knows she can have you anytime, she'll stop craving you. Desire is born from uncertainty. Let her feel your presence, but never all at once. Have your own goals, your own priorities. Let her feel like being part of your world is a privilege, not a right. How Stoicism makes you magnetic. When the timing's right, physical touch matters, but only when you lead it. Start slow. Let her come to you. Touch her hand and pull back like it was nothing, and watch how her body reacts. When you finally do escalate, make it feel inevitable, like every moment before was leading there. Because real obsession isn't about physical contact. It's about emotional contrast. Your calmness mixed with tension. Your mystery mixed with warmth. Make her feel something no one else has made her feel before. And you'll live rent-free in her mind. Here's the truth. Women don't fall for perfection. They fall for presence. That rare masculine energy that doesn't seek validation. That doesn't flinch under pressure. That doesn't need her to feel valuable. That's what makes her feel safe and excited at the same time. That's what she can't find anywhere else. It's not about trying harder. It's about being centered. When you walk into a room grounded in who you are, she won't just notice you, she'll feel you. Final truth. The Stoic origin energy, she won't become emotionally addicted because of what you give her. She'll become addicted to how you make her feel about herself when she's around you. So stop chasing. Stop over-explaining. Stop trying to impress. Be the man who leads with energy, not effort. The man who owns his silence like it's a weapon. When you carry that stillness, that controlled fire, she'll crave your presence even when you're gone. She'll compare every man after you to you, and they'll all fall short. You don't have to do more. You just have to be more, know who you are. Move like it. Speak like it. And watch how women respond to the calm power of a man who doesn't chase, because he knows what's already his. If this hits something real inside you, do me one solid. Smash that like button. Share this video with a brother who needs to hear it, and subscribe to Stoic Origin for more Stoic wisdom turned real-life attraction. Because once you master this, she won't just want your attention. She'll crave your presence. She'll dream about your energy. Stay stoic. Stay dangerous. This is Stoic Origin.